Okay, this is the assignment that we are doing at the end of chapter 1 as an assessment, meaning that while a lot of the other assignments you've done have just been completion, this is going to actually be graded. Okay, so this is at the very end of the chapter. It's almost the very last thing in the chapter. And at the end of each chapter, you have something called a communication workshop. This one is on technology, and it's on job boards, which you may or may not have looked at before in the past. So here's the actual assignment in your Google Classroom, and I've copied and pasted all of the directions for you. So we're looking at it in the textbook right now, but all of these directions are in Google Classroom as well. So here's what you're going to do. It says, assume that you're about to finish your degree and you're now looking for a job. So you are conducting a survey of online job advertisements, and these are some of the questions you're going to answer. What's available? How much is the salary? What are the requirements? So it's directing you to visit one of the job boards called Monster. So you would just go to monster.com, okay? Monster.com, and then it's giving you step-by-step instructions. It says select a keyword, like if you are going into welding, okay, you would select that keyword. You have to select a city and a state where you want to look for jobs, and then it's going to pop up with job listings for welding. So you don't have to do welding. That's just an example. You're going to do whatever job you're interested in. So then you're going to study the job listings. You may use the advanced search to narrow the listings and come up with specific things. And then you're going to read some of the ads. Okay, you're just going to read them. You're going to make notes. Some of the things that you're going to find, it says make notes on what you find. Some of the things you're going to make notes on, what jobs are available, how much is the salary for those jobs, what are the requirements for those jobs, what kind of education do you have to have. You're just going to make notes on all those things. And then it's telling you to try another site. Try College Recruiter, which is collegerecruiter.com. Do the same exact thing. Look for welding jobs if that's the field that you want to go into, or whatever field you're interested in, look for jobs in that field. So then here's some other questions for you to answer. What task do the ads mention? What's the salary range? And so what I'm asking you to do at the end of this is just write a report of what you find and turn it in. So you're basically writing a report that is going to answer all of these different questions. Okay, what job listings did you find for the field that you're interested in? Did you find a lot of them? Did you find them in a certain city? What city are you looking for? What's the salary range? What are the requirements for those jobs? And you're just going to pick whatever career field you're interested in and search for that. Then write all of this up in a report and submit it to this Google Classroom assignment. This is actually going to be your assessment for chapter 1.